how do you build out the persona slash pseudonym that is the name that is publishing your articles? Meaning, if you don't want to use your own name in a way of increasing credibility of the name throughout the web. So don't quote me on this, but I think this is something that's like way over exaggerated as far as being important. And it came out with Google's EAT, expertise, authority, I don't forget the last one is trust, maybe. But basically people were saying you have to have you need to be a credible person writing about the articles and yada, yada, yada. And, maybe in some like very specific niches, like if you're like in a health, something or other, that might be a little bit more of a thing there. But I think overall, you can basically just create a fictitious person and, you can just make them an author page. You can tell a little bit about them. You can have an image for them, have their name, of course, or whatever. You could even make them like a Facebook profile or a couple social accounts if you wanted to link to them. And you could even go and like add, fake contacts and friends and whatnot on them if you wanted to as well. But that's pretty much the extent of where I would take it. Like I said, I think this is something that's kind of overblown. It's not something I really put much energy into at all. And that's just pretty much where I'm at on it. What about you, Nick?
Well, I mean, just on the basis of how I start out with most assets, I'm not going to have my own name there as the writer. It's going to be typically I guess let me talk in hypotheticals here. If I was to do it, then I would probably create a fictitious person. And then to keep it simple, I'd still want to build out their network and make them seem like a real person. I would say it does add a bit of value. I don't know how much, but it just, it helps create the bigger picture, right? Sure. Of this is a person who's out there in the world and this is what they're providing. But like Chris said, don't overthink it. Get in Fiverr and order yourself an IFTTT wheel for that person. You can do all kinds of upgrades within there. And, it's not called IFTTT anymore. I guess they're called link wheels. But it's all the same thing, right? It's a social network surrounding this person. And you can add followers, et cetera, all that kind of stuff. But after that, am I going in there and am I posting as these people or giving, for lack of a better word, two shits about what I built out there? No, it's just set it, forget it, and then get to work on that project.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.